Top 3. Dash Cams for ultimate road safety. Dash cams offer peace of mind for every driver on the road. Today, we're comparing 3 top models to enhance your driving safety, focusing on technology, clarity, and standout features that benefit drivers the most. The REDTIGER Dash Cam stands out with its 4K UHD resolution and superior night vision, providing crystal-clear video anytime. With built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, reviewing footage and tracking routes is seamless. It's slightly expensive for newcomers, but its video quality and simplicity justify the price. For those preferring discreetness, the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 offers HD recording and voice control. Its compact design is perfect for the minimalistic driver, but lacks the REDTIGER's 4K clarity. Rideshare drivers will appreciate the Vantrue N4 Dash Cam's triple-channel coverage, capturing every angle. Despite its comprehensive setup being more complex, it's ideal for extensive trips and maximizing road safety. Explore this comparison and choose the best fit for your needs. If you want one of this, which I think you should have installed in your car, click on the link in the description and subscribe for more tech insights.